Hi my friends and my students, this is Rameshwar Thamke from Let's Commence channel. Today we are going to see second part of our topic adjective. So that is kinds of adjective. So let us see kinds of adjective. Which are the kinds of adjective? First one is adjective of quality. The adjective of quality means what? Given the quality about the noun and pronoun. Ram is clever boy. Sita is beautiful girl. Then Ganesh is an intelligent boy. Next example. The Shreyas has a black dog. Then this box is heavy. It means clever, beautiful and intelligent, black and heavy. These are a quality of nouns. Got it? So nouns is what? Boy, girls, then dog, box. These are nouns and it give the more information about the noun what it has quality. Got it? So that means a adjective of quality. Now next we will see the adjective of quantity. It show amount of noun and pronoun. So let us see one by one with an examples. We haven't got enough time. Quantity means what? Enough. There is some water in the pot. Some. Quantity. He has many friends. How many? Many. It's quantity. He has few pencil in his box. Few is quantity. There are only 5 students. How many? Only 5 students. So 5 is adjective. Which adjective? Quantity. So there are enough, then some, after that many, then few, only 5. These are adjective. Which adjective? Quantity. Got it? Next, the adjective of number. If you ask answering the question how many, how much, so you will get adjective of number. So let us with an example. There are 10 students in the classroom. 10 is a adjective number. I stood first in the class. First. Third, some students are upset. Some. How many? Some. Most of the boys are selected. How many boys? Most of the boys. I wrote many books. How many books? Many books. So these are number of adjectives. So which are these? 10, first, then some, and most, and many. So these are adjective of numbers. So you can see students, there are some adjective of numbers. Next we will see demonstrative adjective. Demonstrate means what? We demonstrate, we indicate some things or someone's. That is demonstrative adjective. If you ask the question which, you will get demonstrative adjective. Let us see one by one with an example. I live in this house. Next example, I am selling those books. This day couldn't get any better. That dress looks good on you. Give me that pen. This pen is mine. So these are some demonstrative adjectives. Which one this? So let us see with an highlight. This, those, then this, that, after that and this. So these are demonstrative adjectives. It indicates something. This pen, that dress, this house. Got it? Now next is interrogative adjectives. So interrogative means what? If you ask the questions in sentence, you get the interrogative adjectives. What kind of music do you like? So what, which book did you read? So which book? Which pen do you like more? Which pen? Whose book did you read? So whose car is this? So these are interrogative adjectives. Why are you waiting? Why are you? So why is also interrogative adjective. It's give the more information about noun. So here we can see interrogative adjective what, which, then which, whose, then whose, and why. So these are interrogative adjectives. In this way we have seen kinds of adjective. In that, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, then demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjectives. So students, I hope that you might be learn these kinds of adjectives. So students, see this video again, like and subscribe this channel. Let's commence. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.